malmalungil silsil marvek ladro huil guk most of ilo mesertel bes sure gidra channel 37 ngia 38 ngia TMC Headquarter el altemel election ako siga igel basher gidel sa eden moringi ma information gidel ge election gi mal proud ro ay sa TMC el angat ya abasol tune in el moringi ma tolong information el al sils nga ma anisa taptar ngartiang ano bangkela kuk tara ko social morak kul presidente sa marvel lao huil kung niya agal para mesang LMC bes sure gidra channel wera to 37 niya sus el morak 38 niya TMC Headquarter el altemel election ako siga igel basher gidel sa lao ringi ma information gidel president gi mal proud ro ay sa TMC el angat ya abasol tune in el moringi ma tolong information in el al sils nga ma sils sa kadamad proud tiang kuana tiang ano bangkela candidate for 2020 election tiang 2020 election na for exciting and gidra already yesterday let's say debate 38 so that was TMC brand 10 and the election ako siga mura other than say my information gidel president mal proud ay sa TMC mga ya abalungil sin in the morning may tolong all information in the LRC ay sa sa kadamad proud feeling na kuana yang debate na candidate for 2020 election tiag 2020 election na for exciting and gidra already yesterday let's say debate 38 so that was TMC brand 10 and the election ako siga mura other than say my information gidel president mal proud ay sa TMC mga ya abalungil sin in the morning may tolong all information in the LRC sa kadamad proud feeling na kuana yang debate na candidate for 2020 election tiag 2020 election na for exciting and gidra already yesterday let's say debate 38 so that was TMC brand 10 and the election ako siga mura other than say my information gidel president mal proud ay sa 2 minutes abalungil sin in the morning may tolong all information in the LRC sa kadamad proud feeling na kuana yang debate na candidate for 2020 election tiag 2020 election na for exciting and gidra already yesterday let's say debate 38 so that was TMC brand 10 and the election tiga mura other than say my information gidel president mal proud ay sa 2 minutes abalungil sin in the morning may tolong all information in the LRC sa kadamad proud feeling na kuana yang debate na candidate for 2020 election tiag 2020 election na for exciting and gidra already yesterday let's say debate so that was TMC brand 10 and the election tiga mura other than say my information gidel president mal proud ay sa 2 minutes abalungil sin in the morning may tolong all information in the LRC sa kadamad proud feeling na kuana yang debate na candidate for 2020 election tiag 2020 election na for exciting and gidra already yesterday let's say debate so that was TMC brand 10 and the election other than say my information gidel president mal proud ay sa 2 minutes abalungil sin in the morning may tolong all information in the LRC sa kadamad proud feeling na kuana yang debate na candidate for 2020 election tiag 2020 election na for exciting and gidra already yesterday let's say debate so mga sector pero brand 10 other than say my information gidel president mal proud ay sa 2 minutes abalungil sin in the morning may tolong all information in the LRC sa kadamad proud feeling na kuana yang debate na candidate for 2020 election tiag 2020 election na for exciting and gidra already yesterday let's say sobrang sector pero kami tuya mas kawin sa pero po mas sa 2 minutes
Lazaro Israel, naniat temelo mengela harwar melig, nekwa temelo mengela ngirat kel episong directly so lo ay sa sakul mengela adel adri bugul paulesa lo el ku kora milskit sel klebelau ra rolela al du ma umru learn a lot from people amle tokor tira dimna ali accept trustar melo kela ngirat kel episong directly accept so ay sa sakul adri bugul paulesa lo Alicia Ramilskit sel teramal mlek level el political activity block learn a lot from people amle tokor tira dimna ali accept trustar melo kela ngirat kel episong directly accept so ay sa sakul adri bugul paulesa lo Alicia Ramilskit sel teramal mlek level el political activity block people emo mluus ra constitutional gid emo ratify ringi di sedim la kalbeot lo maraela se brother amlorian nuclear issue ma a revised constitution nga kamli ke rel ade mo part se gid ma amlaria compacto free association lel negotiator nga Mr. Romant Matu lenguk moria temela Lazarus Sali amlaria changes se gid gedel issue sable the sis beringi di sel gotten lo so kartial telel bela wase gadangania mondar gidra de longlet ania differences gidra egal issue ra compact mara di sel got klungela sen di giden madre ay gal tiginget mangida smaut gida sumok le gida hutmok di nga amral lo ngilar ngur sera bod independent do ngordia abanderang ra belau dul wase el al time di giden madre ma umraile Randy kama Anisha has not been a smooth one. We've had many bumps along the way. Di aswakal modulil point say because of those struggles, because of the hard issues el gidar other belam losois, en laru lid el mut el mum sisi el balu. Mang aigal tel grim lo say ngarayel kora amle ula buru seka aktil mut el monger ngi I've taken a long time to get this point I say sel lom dasul outside the box lagam kengel sel ngarngi lagam kengel di trust territory lagam kengel el accept ra commonwealth lom scam rikel wasebem adra rikel lagam kengel mor engilar adra ruko mabola bay mar adra lulat mar adra kosray dil gidar adra belau them lom dasul outside the box reject ay gil diakal soat di mo giden mga drederki mga kaulak mal digak give up raw apel rosel mormurtel mo president say ay gidel but rosel was gada makarang mu beul mo ilak lungil belu
Magdadakal din ba Rosel?
dia berosel
Ya berose tray dropul wal founders of Lubelaon Manila.
akmalul bentrir mga do til mom ututaw Kogilo bentrir mora Washington DC lo negotiate ma adra Amerikel mora hilo man negos nga kya melu sa Spitzer nga kamngad adu urtir agi debate lo bentrir ro bugul belaw metir ka agi ruba los abelaw maral mor mga ka alayat tagi del bros esen mal dia ku besri ase abelaw mal to ku betsel belu mal sab edel ngul النورياك للمورا باسل داو را ابلو ngara maulak mulway say angara mong esel bornya ay gida rurt ea maldi modo ora ade Randy wasay kidar adar bewa kukngaru erar adar aru mar adar abola be mar adar ang ugil besude ngar babel adar tirap to etirge adar ayun sel mal tigil to tigil to kol mel butela ngara ul mong atik ndiakal atiglen ndiakal soakadel ngadio tira ako tendi ndiakal soadel mga isisiru gidel morar mi ituut nga kadibol wase medo do mesri gidel ngaruriu ra Singapore medo mesri gidel ngaruriu ra Siabal medo mesri gidel ngaruriu ra Switzerland marwa Cayman Island ma BBI my Isle of Man Michael mgegrel belu innovate think create Rulia Bluril Morbaba, the Alan Morar.
Kada nakto dra Micronesia mang
Ngram ko do bugid.
Dir mo basirgi dra Micronesia.
Michael me vira uldaso Brandil Black propose ra kegrel ada. Akora mo le lakle o le o say I was ahead of my time. Aka baby ra gal rosa mal ga ko ngala kal mal milsada tutu ulan masada Lazarus Sali o say kagit ding akwasel altanga time aptokar muklol other sel time el dir madak tap esel toy lom ela raul bil lenga king dura pala high school ra eli ra mara debate na ma junior luase sel delegate tel di kaul tanga ka 12 years initial member a house and then 12 years el youngest member
Right.
I think ako talaga mga takil sekal youngest member. Of course, nga adel mo youngest, ko talaga member.
Oh, 24?
I was older. I was 30.
30, oh.
Hindi mlangar niya male 29 or 30. Hindi gukti 4 years youngest member sel me gukmor niya younger member.
Nari nga wan al video kung mesel ngil. Nari nga ka mga tadu malgrer buy.
Oh, ise nga
24.
Se 24 sera. Almir adra UN Seid gida trust territory. Esel ngari tial pelaw ma trust territory amlar wala UN trusteeship council administered by the United States. Every year ang ariya review ra UN Trusteeship Council el mervela wase ngwang raw rerel Amerikel lo mga dre legal blue tamla kut maklid sab edel mo ilak ra karaklosi di jakadbo the deep into history randi di meku ais Amerikel am lebla karngul lo spiritual dru lel influence mususew let me use a little bit of harsh word coerce blackmail, rablur belaw, modingar eungel for defense purposes. Ayya taramle isura, a leadership pergidem. Tigel adra Russia, mar adra France, mar adra UK, le ambassadors to the United Nations, selame tambe loger leadership. Ang aramong iselame, mlam adrodra rugul toy ma. The status del time, mar adra asra oreora mula. Kap mesakal le godom karar adra UN ne o suserti le ko mal musul al mlei aro kultu amal diungil endi kakamlor sel states no ase ndi ardino mira ro kultu ko ngarnia ngal sengsela rerel amrigel merbelau ngarnia o sis klel amrigel merbelau tirgal maas jakalo dengi kal to ko ya jakalo dengi influence mo ko ngeto ko jakalo ko nga kamle kigrel ade me ku ay sira kuram dal olbi la ku mes tiang e digal soarma ak maral le madak to si el akpok to or tiang et mungal base nga kigrel buiga el diagadru le rabuai ngara ya ngara ul mung ba mung do ra se gedel lom to ra a leadership prebelau len sel ngara mo sel gora du lia tiking emra se gedet to oklau wasaya kang tamadidi aw ngilangal yel taangal masada to ko ilway ga kadru ullel mga ka ko mes nga kalwasak metro trigel baby ran gerel adal wasi mela ka tamata el kmul de sweat ma usegi dul video ko mesangin ingwak plo ku gerrin mora UN wasaya ang arel ameriken atir ka kal mul magat mok la pelawa dir ka kal magat mok mo ilak kal bulu mong several part to say the history in the seguida plomre que murió lo pangela ibedul yuta ka gibon sera belur oreor ibedul amlo octeria rubul belau magul pangel mo malasira rubul belau mga ke randia hotel ngal tangatel gerel other set time len aklo boden trira akmal to ko rubul belau
so sel moment sa tigay era ko mention na Lazarus matu tiga mal wal important part the history belau sel mom da suringin el alt time do you think kalwaseng abelawa amle fulfill our vision na Lazarus matmatul do you think we're going that direction or how do you see the direction of Abelaw moving forward
siya ulak ramurta to be honest with you ulak ramurta kum das wasay akpo nga gel mle berusir tirgay kidel at marwa harwo ramli kasabe el motaw mesel mo silver rose el girela Abelaw lul rose ngi tirgay kidel bud kasabe el ruli mung oy ngariya mal betok lungil lam gatmo egadam la gutmo mel butrel al time nding dirga kada borsel muy el berusir tirgal at mo justify wasengra ulmo dirga ka bol muy tirgal ada milsada offshore banking tirga milsada corporate registry tirga milsada ulokom lo ron sisel tinga ra susul wasay kida dimsada resources gidra highly migratory fish natural gas in the reef of Cayal Velasco Reef malubing reom belwat hindi nga kamal di malmol medi continue malmol masya tara pot cloa value ringil resource of Belao is sovereignty same mal dia adal utilize ringi a sovereignty maska klisi emel belu maska klisi emel member a UN maska klisi emel Randy I don't know if you know this hindi belaw, sel grenser belaw, el meliwek ra to obey, Helen Riffen men mora ngaruang alam. Se waklungela France, waklungela Texas.
Tial easy.
Tial iisir gid, tial zoner gida, momoda kay gal lebed ma belwade ko waklungela Texas, ma France. Sel sever ngara skogil mo ngalakra a France. Hindi kal sebela skogil kaun mo ngalakra France, ra renser ngira melidiul, ala kam gungwa ngira France. Betial belaw ada kali do mesengil wasa kadang rakwa melmera a oreore ngatial Seid klisi edra airspace ergid atara dirgak bodo spe erngil tara klisi edra sovereignty e beto kaskogil melel ngalakla el ngara giltal belut suegal mengalak prebelaw mora Indonesia e setara sep edel el charge of fees regil skogil mengalak tiagid el airspace ergid el mora siabal el mora Indonesia antara revenue mergid di memo maktilmut ngara sovereignty atara igel gora related de brother mora airspace el gusaw dergi at koira aircraft registry eka mendengay ma anisel wasenga kabal le involve barabel Rose el former president Torrio abang tangat yang losan ngil mola akadim le sera akotel mo other ulbila akotel bil nga shipping registry corporate registry 1989 Dim lakal sa pelagel mo rol mo 1994 leng ndakal sa emel dirkakabom independent el belu e mo brulay e mong lo meo del mo to ding ulak mo mentioner se tara opportunity da economic development aircraft registry nsabela adlo skogi ratara belu million ergeltang e register askogi ngira ngela la arvelaw sel voltemel mora again sal me certification was imita safety eng mer belaw our expert engineers a checkeringi e sign off e sel skogi because you're independent because ka sovereign e sel skogi ka ogi sel treaty ngara UN e sel skogi ka register der tial velas el suebel mora ngi bil belura blula ya labong ang accept ngi le kada member sel International Civil Aviation Organization el base ra Montreal el part ra UN maulak tim el oil wase tial sovereignty gida kada rira resource se pedal utilize rigi mal sugumel al sil se damla register a 500 ships mong ngoba bandera belao e mitay gel luudel wase a safety ma crew kita din kinlo certification ra white label ra crew bulgula se adel morio ra dial registered ra belao well treated ya human trafficking well paid wila guru ringi we got a white label se bulgula se we're the cleanest ship registry ra maintain ra well treatment del mora crew ra blul other roki ya anywhere the whole world Masay de los issued practice as pedal mora aircraft. Establish ngi magadagerel belu malsu magaduk ma registera 500 planes. El time ngara maybe going towards $3 million in revenue. Other realize those will of you shipping registry. Maulak ti melgoy wase ako presidente mo to siswelle laudo. El mos pedal mile misi a budget tergid e help rar adel longas adel clean morba.
And you mentioned this two rats that debate other revenues
and maybe part of our talk that mo tatsa baby ragigid dim le so al point ringa sa gel berusit trigalo bagut ngaringa adel gulngit ter kamiwan migrel adel ko mo research rang clear lang na mo nga google anisya Kenneth Kilbride como research ngil was encanta al art hanggang amle professor at Stanford professor at Harvard mle advisor to John F. Kennedy siya abu ra theory ra economy still being followed to this day olugum ko mo migrela mo ngil was encanta al art ngangam le volunteer el merbelaw e modong ok rabai rai Maigal Bek Kilbelu, Lobungel at Matu, el chairman ra negotiating team Rablu Vela Rakampak, Emle advisor Vela Ulwase. Magaranga obo milyak Kilbelu, Graigel Klisi, el Sabi Marablu Ramrigel, Ego Milyak Kilbelu, Obo Milyak Kilbelu, Gaigid, my Gaigid, Tok Lumil Toko, Amo Klisi Elablumi. Mga kaulak tirgo marang, el tirgo maral wase. Sabi Edru Li Belau. El motiaga ligel belul dio langitang seu. Leng yung ila do langitang seu. Ba siapa lang osugi, de mamrige lang osugi, kaya kita Taiwan lang oseu lagi. Di ngaraman dia kal sabi el mo tu la gagi del value ra sovereignty gid, ma resource gid. Edo kurulia ke isa gid de Randy initial. El mo sabi el help rar ad. Ma bebi ra blue rather dio langitang seu, langitang seu. E ulak mal el convinced tak malo umra na seka sabel ngaraw ulak mlamora ikal balun magikaril yuns ak mlamora Bermuda Bermuda awak lungela kegre island ra kabalta budget ringi ra 15 years ago rakpong $550 million mung revenue ra gagidel banking insurance corporate registry lesel sukum kada mo marara palu luwaseng malmal tal ulet ungila ula taksela ungile albong indiakal tal buil dongira stamp rakabalment di 24 hours em la stamp ngania efficiency ngania accountant ngania our lawyers the process ay galba bilngid di gudung sel stamp rebelaw taxes sergida paid ngania efficiency hindi akal ere makluguk, ere ngaos, ere di po sa minister, ere hindi ka board ra meeting. Selderli velan mo plura efficiency, and yasab el take off. And let me say this, kita ko tangal tangate, ani selling, ataray gel provisions ra kampak, tay gel garba ra kampak. El malmlongila negotiations ringil, tirgagid el forefathers ringil, akmo dulia Headquarter League, Roman Matu, Lazarus Ali, Irakel et Pisong, even Kuniwa Nakamura, Mlarnya imoril mora compact, Nganya mleklungyal, hukul blotang, ermul mahuk toel matoel. Di baby rakel palungil silis para compact, awasi abelaw ay liak belu, ending sabel los pera US dollar currency, lududel. Magitya los pera udo dramrigel lududel. Hindi may huay sa mer mikikrel como mesra temela luud rablul belang ngidil time swal belau dulia ududeleng sabel leng our forefathers adim la kal tingi sel waseng din du to ramrigela sa edrospe malta tarak to sense edel guk mo o mesra sensel alungilata ongeru el malgré del appreciate ngira compacto free association a postal service kid Ablur amrigela deliver amail mergid, deliver amail ergid, los pera stamp ergid, el morablul af. Se okmo mendigid el bope aigal rala amail el morablul af en dekal mo ar. Menterah malungil, onge del malungila al direct tial toko waseng sabe edel el mengadredra airspace ergid. Registeras ko girgid, certifas ko girgid, madilet, indigid eligible ra federal programs, el melangseo ra at alkale FAA, Federal Aviation Agency. Mung kadagekare el belul sab el ngwa resource ra Amerikel Federal Aviation Agency ra engineering, lawyering, administration, el mengo surkit. At huge cost savings. Bakti rekl dil mutel mulkol wasig. Underutilized the sovereignty git. Membu ais el al belul ade blockchain ma internet na merbelaw. Randy, maybe you don't know this. Nganya siya singer nga Lobangela Carl Guterres ma President Tamir Mangsaw Jr. Ra 17 years ramla memo el nga kamlen lulu ra president wa semem dura kwam mitra governor Carl Guterres the sign ra agreement el kul wase in sabe edrulia fiber optic cable ergid ngu lender ngi rakwam 17 years ago tiagid el mal lo betok ragal klabi mak musigra inventor sel mail mol a sabe la olbil ma president el gonge ada direct lum tora internet dilo wase sabe lo spe asset light dia kabel kul do batial cable me el al time el do spe mung segida kul or ngilo sa gagid el berro sa dia ka give up lenga tial namuklol at endi ngula ngul medelo setial cable asabe ela belau persel belsel ar bekl ada mo spe ngil bo benefit e mo ngira business tir el al afternoon ak milsa ngirait matul arngul mol ultra website nga wase palau travel palau that travel الموسم إيرار آدر بابلول آدل مرسيجد السايت راوا PBA Palau that travel Peru mertira Malaysia Peru mertira PPR ma pekl hotel ablu bamaratur sertir leng tiagid el internet anam skida igagid el tools ma aptil mut el morsel point nga galwase financial banking financial instruments insurance alboro albodnga luud el medru le dotau terbelau en sab el clol revenue number 1 raigel tax ma fees ongerun create a intelligent job diadim ngara job ra waiting tables kamlo janitor kamlo medra hotel igel high paying jobs wai kamil nga computer skills rami wasabil marage gidulor e clean diagal bol pollute eme elakata madak tara igel uldas wase alia money laundering el albulul ada sel ngara blockchain mal ngara computer e bong install igel el processes el know your client and sub edel screen out as much as possible even better than a face-to-face meetings rigel el mo ulet da avoid the money laundering hindi belaw asab emel loya business record tiang e pera que el tax e earn all over the world mesege el tax randi el mergil nding mal close savings el moragel company e mal close ludo del mergil kada di lui el tela el ad kada lui emel tela el ad do murar ad outside ma benefit tial sovereignty gid asab el filter el mo scholarship rangal gid mora education esel mal digulat kernia wase namo diakal se edel diom dasul wase tial in camera other belau whether ngara private ngara government enough in diakdi do sadar oba minimum wage el me $5 or $7 diak Patam sada ola baigal ngara $7 el mo $10 ma $10 el mo $13 ma $15 el mo $20 mo $50 an hour. Lendi alguk timo batial ngariol may the mar low income el berbab etiala al berbab lo bangel. Mangire del boostra economy au ulak melgora igay del campaign na ma platform na kalwasi. Ako president in seb el bitarra que increase a salary ra adlo rora government ra dia al boriora 20%. Second year en guk mos ekral mutel 25%. Leng ngaringia igay gidel resource el seb edel malmei eso lange ospe lo sisbaudo el mo seb edel mal lo ara budget ra belur belau en mo benefit ra belur belau
Until I get one mal ne mention the direct adam nga debate the direct minimum wage el mal even it was said across the board everybody mentioned minimum wage but it's always a question like said sa minimum wage does everything go up with the minimum wage like is it going to have a big impact in our economy and where's the money going to come out of is it going to come out of the general like take them or mention in direct was say swamel Google tel economy but how is that in terms of realities and sis sa government trial rule I get Google ni gagid promises ka within the first 100 days or the first year, you know.
Kami kung tiga mali 2 minute till break.
Yeah.
Alang 2 minutes.
Welcome back. Sulang almilngi laqam la amaw sa amaliw. Melang qadam مسات تقلل على البرات تان نوت continue and then we'll ask more questions. Sulang.
Anissa, thank you for mal patient nga ma o legara Randy mal mo excited obes lo se halegi gu mo take a pause gu kalbon agi nga mal excited gu mo meng sagel concern raw ma aigel questions raw ling mama ruba al bebi ratta magi mal di mo sungul gu tim sada tingira ruba ke obes sagel gu concern anyway kadam la Randy kadam la question ram la implementation makara obo mo tau tai gang ai gang ra reality dingil bedros makmal di assure other belau assure raw marbek la lo mesetial sol wasi ai gar ro huil do sao da mal seb edel dis dimre edel time ga do tau to atara igel el gusao dingil wasing tara mo policy gida mo kongera other belau ma bebi ra on bali mo partners mo malal ma cannabis malubeng medical marijuana same la seta arogui lul ma language ngi maigel greenhouse mo bangel maigel certification ngi maigel import license ngi mo exporter mo ra Europe ma wa Australia am la set mo mo tanga tamen sab edel start tial project en sab edel lo tautel dimre agele tokora wa investment bank ma tokora blockchain kadamla ngotitrir malungil adra Stanford University ma UC Berkeley ma bebira mal maklol kombali expert rega gidloror malkel mokla sel domo len kado spera expert etigigidel expert tamem tongo sugidel o mentrir miguel adra belau mal tokar malgel belau initial skill dara computer skills mal sebedel utilize tira gigidel loror mula gela otaut implement el ang dialo mo mo hotel Randil takes a year ma permit ma design 2 years later ma open indoor decoration marketing ang barnya okyal ni a computer ma software has LD 90 days sel owner ngim launcher ngim it's an income mong active all mulgol wasay torang aril torang parte anisel wasay don't reinvent the wheel by the bomb muspe igel successful models ngal me modify morsel atera blur belau ma regional gid ma area gid esola motau mong akti assure gid wasay gagal dil bedros gagal sepedlo ta ngigel kalmong masara bil senge dengarnya do murgid ngarnya karelet ngarnya klokadele der omge dengarnya tokora safety ega se len mo reach self destination dinga ka Randy mal excited ra initial cook spell mo skida bebira questions bebira perspective sra yang argerel dir belau siral mir belau mlewang arang challenge ni ma cook tletelel lel sukum kadamos edel mo understand ay gigi del challenge ra young lady coming home makaral fit in regel ngasel gagidel do sadre el anga direct edel mo tiga bedir ra anger el tang abo the president en sep edel o taut le kadamos so clear awaya anisiar el issue.
Right, and part of this election headquarter at TMC, questions, and there's no right or wrong a question. It's more of because a question we would ask is probably something somebody's asking somewhere as well.
No,
so it's a good thing in some mga candidate or getting questions, and some of our pressing issues that can be from Ministry of Health direct, can be from personal issues, and maybe Anissa can also share personal take some issues that she's come along, and maybe you have some solutions as well.
I see.
Anissa.
Sulang, I'm not sure if I ndo yakti Atigil me dang fa se nga komte the group mga.
Right, komte ka.
Yeah, it's
Oo.
just me la se komtas la se leaders are like Tamar Misal, they put funds in the Palau National Scholarship, send ngalgel belan mara school, mara lungi toy. And then matamo mara school MA, and then I don't know, I cannot speak for everyone. But I know some, and including myself, in in the field that I went to study for, and then it took me over 2 years to finally have this job right now that is kind of related. It still deals with welfare and stuff, so I enjoy what I'm doing, but like it took a little over 2 years. And why is that? Like, I say with some people, maybe not all, obviously not all, but like, school, and then speak already. Like, what are some things that you could help with people that are about to graduate in May, and then hopefully they're coming back home and contribute to the community? How can you help them?
Malungil. Ini siya tila malungil question akmal marungul longer ringi lek mal akmal understand akmal omal asira obom sisberingi. Pengara ulun sekal kul waisay nga kay dengea ngal krar di wai kau. Arangal ke kamlo school me modi alpti kau veri. Manya imorang alge kalta kam dangali Desiree. By na end up loro lo bangek. I know I'm not paying her enough. Hindi maral klol problem ran alge el mo masculir ngila will scholarship sel lambe ring mal mo ring til msiga verir. Al baby lang mo klol time randi metamol struggle mo ring tira pe dalang clear tomo dependent tra family tir mung tianga problem el mal kumral wasabo president akmal metigra solution el gire akpilga do ra togol forum el wasay jakal salungila di kum sira Israel nding jakal du ulela ngaka ngariya rolegal mora Israel ngariya program ra Israel gora sedro modorngil wase welcome home authority sel sugum ka Jew ngara Marigel ngara South Africa TV rarungum movement mora Israel ngariya agency ra government tel mo ngaliya talent trakaw om ngaliya schoolen solamo sukaul sigaw reren direct murkal wase sel gotel me ngariya 1 year 2 year dia tax Raigel salary kau. Ya onge imet smigi ablim. Mengmornya housing le ngatara problem ergide sisa. Sel demeng namo bring ergide namo muklo kada ma il kada ma ungal ke dir ke kilometer ada tang dama dala. Nga kamal assuram gigrel at. Wase nga ka president ng mornia akora ministry wase welcome home. Di ikay kita gulgora rolela website ma blockchain ma technology kat mo spe ay gangal monitor ngal get nga kamo mutul kilungyaw do dra scholarship len ayel scholarship loran ngal get ungil ding moral dir ko so mal nga song sa igel cost of living ma cost ra school mum to ngal get el mal lungila o el swing ara school hindi selbol ng song sa scholarship el mortir el tamo struggle and the apple was a halegin quit the morior hotel mringel sel mara school ego kombre ke mlut lo mo nga ka malerul to ka mal mliu dara armu mal soal msangal gel belar monia school mo swil monia school ongerung aktir ko moral wase tara to ko tipla gulgor ngi rakrel adal meklo anisia wasal sugu mung soam el sobo kli armadala angarmadal el club sera belur vela if you want to defend the future of Palau, the only tool are education of its people. Al sugu marang lagir belaw amor niya skulir, sel lut el may et the more leaders, engar niya skills ertir el mo so kli belaw mundia ka bento mangil morar adra modal belu. Nakmal dir wo marar segi del toy, mal assure am gerel adal waikaw, luasay. Atara musube sertial tigingay kaltang ora mo political in nature hindi dakal intended atara gire drulil mo transparent visible ra kabel mentergit mo tab sulate alrar adlosi kavreor kadmol ngusong sel wasay nga o lek nga atak nga ngamle secure nga kamel bolo vreor lese maldir ngarngi with all due respect. I'm sorry to say that hindi gidrogo am tengel wasendir ngarnga some level of nepotism ngarnga some level of favoritism ngarnga maybe hiring regal position and political hire nga kabo president takrula government fully transparent every position el mo open el dakal politically appointed position na mo advertised Mornia te lira ngalge del mo tengel salary are interested in qualify the apply mornia due process la selection was engagida awil kortiang lengara un seguida começa ngi na telgibel matomerni mong oi dia ka mo minister nga ang ambassador nga ka political appointee I will choose who will serve me better ditia gidel civil service agile they'll bring it back to the level of fairness and transparency the process of hiring.
So do you think that's what happened with Anissa as well?
I don't think it's only that, Randy. I think it's some of that, but also I think some of the issues relating to her is there are not enough job opportunities. Some of these jobs are the low pay. Mawas kulel, I say. Seleme elbol apply ra government tas oy pe mo rondi agi per kara minimum wage manggiredel mo adjust ra say adal nga skule la me ngati da level lo borngi la kal bot agi dal ko triol ngati oral maral me le ul ko duro kran ke dal mo ra school aswa dal bol nga skulin mal me better qualified mong ulak directly di melgol wase nggiredel boost ra budget everything we do cost money. Also, mga dim sao del wasay. Akmo miskami a job sa mo create a job, se dia mo otia solution wasay. Where kamong maudo the gerel mo muguruli ti al government mo niya job opportunity ma high paying jobs. Lengay galu do there are other belaw. At yakal enough ti al ngasong sel de la clear other belaw. Maybe that ko mo reduce our cost, Rigel said reduce. Maybe the issues, and we can talk about that separately. Dingire that smiga udo the losses for government, improve our pay scale, mo inga gid loda. Sel merbelao e sel skulela moswil mo wa ngil reor, el bornging enough income. Mong yes, there overnight solution oi. Akabalmenta direct mal to ka will to bla rule ma will programs ma will sisila programs mondial se del kundim nit ndi gumral wa sengaria improvement ndi ga morte gidul wa sembarang halge da lutel me au ulen como sa debate anisiara sus wa se namo 7,000 ngalget sera 1994 am lato de alme and maybe the next year another 1,000 and diak tegi del opportunity. Magrul tia economic reform. Agrul tia ngai kagi del esel tokol gulokol. Leng diak al sebe del dingara tourism. Marumukala air, mar scuba diving, ma hotel rooms el dol tuira tax raigang. Tia gidel la collapse ra coronavirus and other issues. Bodol didul tuira imol source of income. Leng diak al enough el mo kutmok like agid el burused el mosabira ngalged el me okmom tame tirgal ngalged el tal telael erul telael etamor agoting momring tira mokera blir adra blir ong eru ngarge jabsel mortir etara mal direct soal dulia tiagi ngilel mum sisi akabel mentor belau el make sure ang algel belau manguauror rau erang algela adrangodel belu seguida kumeseng ngasong slurere la abel mentor yedela Maganda di isnekling adra huriping amo director ra HR human resource unta ma adra huriping botokol ma aurora di isnekten digal aurora magedara pelaw. That has to stop. Emori tagi del database, certu database ka mal understanding is still ta almal geda ngargel belu ta ngarnya interest ringil mer belaw tiagi da job opportunity ngarnya adal oral email call Skype Messenger, hey, we have a job opportunity. It's paying $25,000. If sell Omer Vela Ngaria housing obori, are you interested? El dung diagen, it's okay. Ndi at least the milsa selte lel make a decision was if I go home, I have a place to fit in. Let me go eyes. Nga makot tel men kot tel membring gid fit in, membring gid am tiga jobs gid, dia kalau dongal gid an kantang. Makmal bidang la feeling ka coming I'm taking too long el mal bora more emotional about it di segita challenge rigid kad magarang eruli abel wad el mo sisi agaru ringi el mo ula ngal ged ngare krel belau amo soril mutel me al mengania te al mortir secondly tirgal ngal ged ngat tiang how many are going to graduate el summer Randy 400, 500.
I say.
Tirgel gukti albora school. Ego soril kay to have a job for them. Maulak min logora kasus em namuptol kon ko say. Ngire del moswira PCC ra funding. El longos clean mo dia al 2-year college, se mo 4-year college. Se one subject el se del mutul mo dwell on it, lo sengra benefit ring. Mung igel jobs el more or other mo create additional classes. Michael jobs mo create additional salaries. A direct tar opportunity more or ngalge. O si sulta mitrigal ngalge del ko kasi so kaldingar belang ra school take care of grandpa. You know, I don't want to live in LA. I don't want to go to a foreign place. I love my country. You can stay and get a good education. Anyway, I think akora mallam mo pamatang yer nga kalekor dik malo mal asura obom thruringi e mal understand ringi e malo mara wasabok president ya mo create ra economic base el mo create a job opportunity ra dia dil government muldi mukra private sector and dia dung low paying jobs computer jobs accounting jobs mahal bato karangal gedel qualified are outside mal bato tira soril may RBB la may. Akmo example ra former Senator Diaz. Nge di olo ngala karangala say Brad nga ka ulak maldis lima. Kawa nga kal ko ulen dimleke. Lengle mo dia kal fit in dia ka job say mel wase bodo ili ra ba am tal nga kamumra raklugo na mo tigil ngarbelaw. Makngilul mora bulwa dramang makmil mo tutaw ule was ule mal di 6 months e mal gilung ya ngum len dia halge do itia belwan e selbo dungi le gamum tigringi tia dia hal sel gi april belu mundim le 6 months and start ra radio station ringi el al sil sentara successful person low radio station low spare ringi e ngania income ringi he also diwai gidel diwai gal odat el lo through the decision process hindi taramal so al duli le kakmal mo excited ra gidel kermil malungil kera aktili raksus el mut el duli el angwase gire de randil capitalize ra national development bank ra low interest loans el mut el mula gel borrowing requirements el mut el gibel el gabakal dia ka atemela antemela ang ongol bo molsir seringi emala loans e girela national development bank will take some level of risk at lower interest will help our young men and women rabe abulur belao mo business Lesseya lela kavalment. Ulang National Development Bank is about development. A consumer bank ang arangi, mar sabi ira mo rangi. Hindi akal sabi edlo sura brigade, tangal gede the deal sorry la business. Nga ka tara maloldu ara ardil mo business. Namo di akal waira are sisteril di papa maurure mga adila ngarablay lo ketira ngal. El albulul adeng giredel empower ardil mo mga mo professionals e direct lo business el help ra family. Magmodu la income mo ra family. Mga katarabo ko niya, Randy mo provider though el mo invested into the National Development Bank, el mo sabira allowance, el borrow, el merula business. Adi one el gerel example. Kung danglilo ko magerel at Airbnb. Ol ko makadar mo lalo ng $100,000 el mo tok la other bela 100 or 200. El mo nga bliril Airbnb, el mo marketing ra PVA, Palau that travel. E promote tay galblay. Al 100 el other belaw masuka. Airbnb income, in sapin pekti loaner tir. E kuk imora income el dimla albora foreign hotel em lora locals. Mung imora girel example mal dir ko umran ngasi. Kityal lamis ra abalwada ng ermit. Ma'am yun mangar beet. Nganya Airbnb. Ngaraman dia kata rula lisran ad the siga tamir the helper tiril gupon nga gigital extra income. Akmal mo excited ko menge sister halit lutrunga ulgiung muskamiu. Ego kitivel ko ramo.
Ya ang problem kato ko rammer mana endra tatsigang.
Tiamal dirgas halit lutrunga
It's already madingay lang saying Swamal Malakoya Bakpalil kung mention alternative revenues, women's issues as well, education, economic reform, you know, lots of stuff that we can really talk about. And I think in Max Edel Rulawan na shorgi de cover up every like but since we're coming into the bottom of our show, the bottom half of our show, maybe we can kind of if you can kind of give us what your let's get out of some of these policies.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah, and slowly kind of.
And I want to hear more from her as well, Randy.
Yeah,
yeah.
And one thing el giblam particularly ngil girela President Tablur Belawa character. You know, with a character and direct kalkurawal al dictate tayo decisions al obo make. What is your relationship between you and the rest of the candidates?
Oh, relationship between me and the candidates. Well, ngakakluat tebeg lo mangela Mr. Johnson Toribio. He's one of my role model. Labangera Rior. Gi adrat norong le direct lo kukura glimamra ol ngabang. Gi korab lo ku get together brainstorm gam. I know him very well. Mal closer relationship with mom. Even though I disagree la, kung mesra susal mal ne disagree ngir sa policy ra.
Marine sanctuary.
Di ka mal healthy, malungil di akal kora personal disagreement. Akmal ba emlaw rolo bangkel junior whips gidila kal adra board co-investors ra Palau Micronesia Airline, which was a success story that we started an airline, but an unsuccessful story. Lo face ra September 11, masar sen direct stop. But we gained a lot of trust, a lot of respect, and got to know each other. I have all the highest respect for former Senator Junior Whips. I worked with his father for many years. Gidila al other House of Delegates 12 years. Sa nagimda aki direct kanyata nag-visit ra kadrupage kung lol mas rangkal tunggal kerel atang maral meklo. Mr. Oilo adirga katam kurelo bangel sira kuk ngal lakmar olbi lengya mo other olbi lendi kukmla o bangel la kadagari le mla uspengil lawyer I also have a lot of respect for him. Direct bila o dakara Eunice ngalgela obura Isidoro Rimas. So in a way that the multi connected the ania wingil relationship pergi mo.
Ya ulak mo mention a character and at the same time kura ogel gila relationship rather on them kamati is because a lot of the solutions that they came up with were very similar with yours as well.
I say.
What do you think makes you a better candidate than all three of them or all four of you?
First, I'm the tallest. Ako nga and yeah, kung das swing, kilamal meringil gere brade, gidar adar belawa.
Oh yeah, da kadid gid al amat gide.
Ang gora maknitrak la adar gida do nga ka better than the other person.
Right.
Diakal telet.
Or maybe nara mom das we offer el tira de offer.
Akum das with tiagit. Simply speaking, akum das wa agora President Toribio nga nanganiya temel na president and he did great. Hindi kum das weng gukmla mo time el guk girel pas ra torch ra klungel at malumra segal chanso na mal capable and malungil at di kalelungil dokora angul mo tara judge gi ng tara advisor leng ako mesra klungel leng mal wise hindi energy niya na mo dakal wai ni seral kuklo kalgibel gikret at I'm being very honest. Ako nga ka ma junior ma Arnold, I have a little more experience than them ling the tira 2 terms el other olbil nga ka a 4 term nga ka amlara lela omraila maklo trial demonstrator kasuswa say ako luro lo mkela harwar mlig arwat mo tu raw say mga niya talgibel institutional memory nga kara urgurulela balwa makor orengan daktu I'm better than them makor orengan wasi adra blue bol west wasi kay kita regigel ma ogol me eder gig tian reksir nga kalmla malas ma to ya nga nyam longil matyak hindi mal nga nya will history nga kal tiraru bul belaw mar president mar to other olbil lamom klol admar lamom itut mar lamos mayor my kidel ringel blol the true real other belaw material leaders kalel sab egel ngut tiay kidel experience nga kalme who's perni president del kidel kloaranguk diak salor re diak al salbre del kuramum re la swed ma ngarit lengarnia some level of experience sab egel tuingi engarni sel klabelaw dir gamulra muklo e direct klabelaw ngarnia rexil gidel lemtengel wase kadam largere maragne seguida tirgal de randia mal qualified de maluil gida dimo honor respectera sel mo gungulira other belaw lo sel amo president di ko omogen nga kasi akal mo hindi ako ulang alwasya mo marulang hindi ako kumudedengel wase akmomru ra marijuana akmomru ra blockchain akmomru ra offshore banking akmomru ra port ra angartma akmo reserve other ole rulia port to save for sport fishing akmo explore ra oil and gas akmo reserve other ngayaw tutiaw rungulira plebiscite til sorry al pornga gaming ndiak mata diak madak tulwasay ali hindi akam dult mo ngarang alit tumul mo diak al secure ka ngarang akum daswa adal mo president rel alta ma diak al girel matak tel loltaw ta pudusel ma diak di long du di mengelu asenkyo masegi da difference nga ko say me the bora be esel era me the bora be esel ring el ngania urgurulel ma history ngi el merel am esel gu the step forward that tau tega gid el sweat tiga gid el ngalged al mel ngara el bulu el bon ngaweri matte el lira mil tungar e gu pak mereke maybe gu ngania te lift tiga mil el adal gu mo Seid.
All right.
How was that?
Madalo Seid agora wal bol lo bungalel tial shor gidra Headquarter, TMC Headquarter, TSL, Palau National Election Headquarter, Mendial, one candidate, and tiro candidate, Tagim welcome, Tir Mertial, Headquarter at TMC, el med interview Tire, Bototingi Yabuka, Lumulir, Mama Hopela sea, candidate Tagidra. Alinsida direct الموسف الموت المي من سب إذا الموت الكمبليت تيجال بتوغل questions الأنا أضرب الأنا الأملا مو أقرجيري send a message المورا TMC رقم مرا يوتيوب من سوم قمنا يوتيوب and post a question رقمي ولا قمرين القرا أوريك the question رقمي خصوصا هذا أمرا لقال live بتير أوجي هسه أكملت ask a controversial question ask your questions because تابع كده رقوي alright تمالوا يسقوا مال مسؤولين please like and subscribe ra YouTube channel lagi ra at Talungab YouTube. Alright, tenga kama anisak maldi isomam lorong asulira rokulak, and thank you for watching TMC Headquarters.
Thank you, Anissa, thank you. Mal appreciate.